We've got 1 part cracked corn, 1 part oats, 1 part wheat, and 1/3 part soybean meal. And now we mix. And there you have it. Let's go feed those hungry chickens. Let's mix.
Hey guys, welcome back to Starkey Farmstead. So I want to talk to you about making your own chicken feed. Now I know you saw the short in the beginning, and that is a great short, but we went a few steps further. We also added rice bran and milled black oil sunflower seed to our chicken feed concoction. We also used, instead of cracked corn, whole grain corn that still had the germ, because that is where the amino acids and the oils are found in corn. So we milled whole grain corn, we milled black oil sunflower seeds, as well as whole oats. We added wheat bran, we added rice bran, and we mixed all that up in here along with red millet seed and made our own chicken feed. Now guys, let me tell you why this is so important. One, it's all fresh when we mill it. So the chickens are getting every part of that seed and of that grain, including the minerals and the oils. The second reason it's so important, what Stephen and I paid for about 300 pounds of material to make this, including the molasses, only came up to 150 bucks. So far, we've been using it for 2 months, not only to feed our chickens, but our rabbits. We save hundreds of dollars a month doing it this way. Now, when you get it in mixed up with all your parts, and we mix it with a concrete mixer that he purchased. We mix it so it's mixed really well. We even put in some ground alfalfa hay powder right? We grind all that up together, then we mix it, then we put it in a bucket, and I add fresh yard eggs and molasses and water, and then we put it into here, and I bake it at 275 degrees for about 30 minutes. And what happens is I've got like a well put together pellet. Now these are 2 of these, and I'm gonna go set them in here with the chickens to let them eat to get ready for the cold weather coming in. And it's got everything that they need, you guys. And like I said, it's got more nutrients and it's fresher than if you store-bought it. The next best thing is, while Stephen and I are learning how to purchase and mill these grains and these seeds, I'm learning how to grow them as cover crops, then harvest them, and then do it with fresh. So slowly but surely, we're gonna pull ourselves out of the system of needing to purchase off-farm inputs to feed our livestock on small acreage with small livestock. Guys, this is the future of homesteading and farming, is going back to doing it the way that our grandparents and great-grandparents did it. Grow it, harvest it, mill it, mix it, make it. So I hope that you come along on this journey with Stephen and I as we get better at it, and we update you guys with videos on how you can learn how to save your money while feeding your animals better, more nutritious, way cheaper food. God bless you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It's been super rainy here in southeast Louisiana, you guys. Here you go, pumpkin. So I've been adding some leaves in here. Now our coop is also used for composting. Oh yeah, they're gonna love that. That's gonna get them good and full and prepared for this cold weather. We are bringing 4 new hens onto the property this week for that big, beautiful black astrolabe right there, which will help our ladies grow some feathers back, because we've got 2 big, beautiful roosters and not quite enough ladies.
Yeah, 3 roosters now.
Yeah, I see him over there. That is his son. And in all honesty, we're going to have to make a choice. Daddy or son. I've just had Dad longer. But it will give the girls a break to remove a rooster out of here, so. And these girls, most of them are between 2 and 3 years old, and they're putting out an egg at least every other day through the winter, so they're laying really well. Some days we get an egg every day. So just kind of giving you guys a few ways to, you know, save some money while keeping your flock healthy through the winter. They like it. They like it a lot. It's a shame they can't taste that molasses. And do your research. Molasses going into your livestock feed is a great idea, you guys.